blushy. And then of course on my blemishes also. You want to make your skin look flawless so that the blush doesn't make your face look like you're allergic or sensitive to something. Now going on with this highlight color on the center of my face, on my forehead and on my cheek. Now with the cream contour along my nose, but not too thin, because later when I blend it with my fingers, I'll blend slightly inwards, and also a bit on my eyes. And now with the face contour, I will do it on the side of my face. I'm going to use my finger to blend. Now I'll powder across my face to just make my face more smooth and powdery and matte. I'm gonna bake around my nose because that's usually where I get more oily. And the jawline so that I can have a bit of slight highlight over there. Also my T-zone to bring out my highlight also. By the way, I got like a lash sleeve, but I don't think the camera can catch any of my lashes. It's still natural lashes, you know, so I'm filling in my brows from the back of my brows slowly, working my way to the front. Then I'll be drawing slight feathery strokes. Not too much though. Now I'm brushing away the powder that I used to bake around my jawline, everywhere. Now I'll be going in with powder contour again to make my features look more deep and darker. I'll be using a bronzer for my face. Actually, this Tarte bronzer is really good. It's really a suitable color for my face. It's not too orange or too dark or just look dirty, and it's very easy to blend also. Now I'll go in with a very simple eyeshadow look. It's just like to bring a bit more color and definition to my eye. It's nothing difficult or crazy, and I'll be of course highlighting the inner corner of my eyes to just brighten up my eyes. Going with the blusher, I put my blusher slightly higher to just make my face appear more lifted. Also adding the blush on the side of my nose because you just want across your face to be blushed. So yeah, the tip of my nose, side of my nose, everything is very important. Now I'll be adding highlighter, but it can't be curved, so it's a bit like slightly under my eye also, but not too much. Still focusing on the cheekbone. I'm adding particularly more highlight today because I just want everything to just look more brighter, more glowy. Yeah, just more achieve a bit more like innocent look. I'm using a slightly pink tone highlighter and brush it across also. So because I have the lash permed already, I'll be using this like a lash primer that will really help to just make my lash stand out even more. I'm not really sure how to describe it. Then I'll be adding this mascara, which just help open my eyes so much better and make everything just look a lot more innocent. I'll be using eyebrow pencil to add fake freckles across my face, which is part of the eager look, I think. I've seen lots of people do it. I'll be concealing my lips so that my lipstick will stand out a bit more. Actually, I tried like a previous lipstick, but I don't like the color because it was a bit too like magenta. So yeah, I changed to this more softer color. I'm done with the eagle look, and I think I look really good actually. I colored my hair like last week, blue and then to the purple, but the purple isn't showing as well as the blue does, so everything just looks kind of blue.
Fuck what you thought I'd do without you. I'm so much better like you never met me. I'm doing anything I want to. I'm going 0 to 80, so when you see me talk to strangers, no, don't you let it get the best of you. You let me slip right through your fingers, and now it's fingers running down.
Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys soon. I hope I can continue to be productive in terms of filming and uploading and editing. Anyways, I really like this look. If you enjoyed the video, leave a thumbs up, a comment, and share it everywhere. Alright, so see you.
Strangers.